Ochalaba okwanjula n'embaga.
Wari omuntu wakuleetanga wakunnyonnyola. Naye ono omwana mulenzi gwenkulembedde Dennis so wakunnyonnyola. Mu Luzungu, for us when we are teaching the little ones or the adults or whatever age that we are teaching, and somebody gives you a reason that is sufficient enough, just to say it is self-explanatory. Self-explanatory.
Batata.
Webali.
Mama.
Webali nabo.
Banyinaze.
Webali.
Bajjajja.
Bonna webali.
N'abantu mwenna.
Abataka
mwenna. Abali wano.
Pulira.
Ono ye mwami wange. Jeroma Dennis gwe nasiima mu bangi.
Mpulira.
Pulira engalo.
Senga. Kulwani.
Banji baba.
Kulwani. Wamusimirani.
Kulwa Nabwire Glorious Julian.
Abe wange
pulira engalo.
Abe wange njagala ngalo na musiranga bya mwala wange Glorious. Akoze kyate. Abe wange ngalo z'omugole.
Because that when I look at these two lovebirds,
yes,
I am seeing an elegant, flamboyant, sleek young man alongside a gorgeous African queen.
Yes.
And the moment I saw Glorious,
yes,
that is when I saw Glorious move out of that daddy's house,
you saw heaven.
I saw glory down here.
I know.
Dennis, your picture land title in your name.
Happy birthday.
Wanji.
Wageni bonna ngenda kubaniriza.
Pulira engalo ffenna.
Pulira.
Naye ate ye Dennis. Sobola mwaniriza. kunzikiriza wano mbadde nsaba kunzikiriza entambuleko ngende waali webale ndunda mukwano webale okunkuumanga na buli kyenneegamba banayi webale okunfuulanga ompanisa ebyabirala hasa yangede yansala bwe bannumba tebawummula tewandeka kufa njala munkutaata neyaze
akola obulungi asimibwa
mpulira
engulu dokuzafuse kulibwa ntongere besimani ngengalo besimani ategedde wagwa
Mando. You are so much welcome to the Paromo clan. What jolly Paromo. You are so much welcome, Wajuli. We love you so much. Wamari la palchunywa, anyadwe maleg. La toke, ay. Chani wara chani chan, ay.
Ndi mwana bw'ogwoyagala ekyo nkirabye konze sewakana gwe byoyogera omala n'obikola Yesu nkakasizza bye waŋŋamba ndi mwana bw'ogwoyagala ekyo nkirabye konze sewakana gwe byoyogera omala n'obikola onjagadde mu lwatu onjagadde mu lwatu tombudde mu Yesu kankusinze mu lwatu
Soko chikole ngavika wali ubisekere
Nice sense of Balakoba Sebo, sense of Balakoba Nyabo, Eda Deva Sebo, Eda Deva Nyabo, a name Kurikama Kubo. There's a Yesebo. But they didn't sign for you, Okwera Kumkologno, Ogwa Glorious, your man with Dennis. Umkologno Chijakwanga Chukulaga, Delta TV to Kole, Gloria, you look so beautiful. Gloria fe abamukoze kakabiri ne makeup n'okumwambasa gomesi zonna fe abamwambasa ate omukulu gwe tujja kuba nga tukulaga ku Delta TV nebaza abazadde b'omumaka gano bannaye mwebale kuzaala abaana abalina empisa ate abafumbirwa emyaka ebiri emabega twali ku mukolo gwa Jackie kati ate tuli ku gwa Gloria tusubira n'emirala mingi si kyekyo.
In Sharita's Radio World, company is okutegekera omukolo musawemu.
Mukwane bali kubeera ng'otulaba ku Delta TV tukole ndi wano n'abagole baffe omugole waffe twamukozeko enviiri ne makeup tumwambaza. Oh my god banange anyumye alese omwami we azze n'abantu abangi ate abalungi ate abagumidde kakati oba ntandike nali wantandike ne Gloria ne Dennis ntandike nange ladies first. Ladies first. Banange, how are you, Gloria?
I'm very okay.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Onyumye nnyo Gloria.
Webale kunyiriza.
Oh, wedda nkutunuulira ngasagala kujja ku maaso.
Thank you.
Naye wano woli oyagala ovaawo gwe.
Kugambe saagala.
Banange Dennis, kopango.
Kope.
Elio mabe.
Ate mabe.
Oh, Wenkoma, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling very good.
I can see.
Very nice and happy.
How did you picture your day to be like?
Colorful day.
How did you want it to be? Okay. Before it happened.
Great, good decorations, good dress up and everything. That's perfect.
Is it what you found?
Actually, it's more than what I found. Yeah.
How did you feel the first time when your wife was coming out? Did you see her? Were you looking?
Because I was looking and I wouldn't keep my eyes off her.
No, wabadde omutunuulira.
Yeah, nabadde mutunuulira.
Mwetunuulidde amaaso gakwataganye. Omutima gwogedde ki? Mwetunuulidde.
I just felt like I just love him more and more and more.
What did your heart speak?
It's like she's a perfect person. When she was coming, like, yeah, that's the right person. Yeah.
I like that statement. Why do you describe her as being perfect? Apart from her beauty, what else do you know that we don't know?
I think more than the beauty, she is a very good-fearing person, and she's a person who she loves people, the way she cares with people, and the way she's a people person, and she serves people so well. And I just feel at ease, and I feel at myself when I'm.
You just feel you what?
I feel at ease, and I feel myself when I'm doing life with her.
With her, I know.
Everything.
She's your soulmate.
Everything is perfect. Yes.
Where did you guys meet, Mwasi?
So we were both running different businesses, and it so happened that we had gone to a shop for the businesses, and that's where we met. And when we just looked at each other, it was actually love at first sight. And nice, nalabomwana negamba yasinga kukubako. Their smile was just perfect, and I'd never seen a black handsome guy. I know. Yeah, the moment I saw him, I was like, wow, this is black handsome. Yeah. Did you feel the same way when you first saw her?
Yes.
What did you see? What did you think?
You know, when you just feel like this attraction. Yes, and at that point, when I met her, I was like, okay, this is something special. But then I moved away. Like, you know, then after a week, after 2 weeks, I bumped in her shop unknowingly, and I said,
"This is the same."
And
then who gave out the number first?
I asked for it.
You called after how long?
After that, the next 10 minutes after I called, after getting her number, yes.
And then the rest is history.
Yeah.
How long have you been together?
4 years. This is the 4th year, yes.
Ninayo mwana yenda.
Nedda, tatuyina.
Omwana tunamulaba after how long from now?
Maybe after like 1 year and a half.
Ngembaga ngewedde.
Yes.
Kale, kayimba ki koyagala oweereza omwami w'omukwano?
Banange. I think I want to send him a song which is simanyi nawe bakaita kuba nyimba esinga sizina, but I'm in love with you.
Nothing that I can do. Diamond Platinums.
Okyalaba okwanjula n'embaga.